Chatting BOLDCASHERs.
We make money
Online.
BOLDCASHERs.
Let's connect.
Cash chat.
Fly high.
Join us today.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hatuna hata kama kuna corona tunapata doa say BOLDCASHERs for life.
Ugandans will now be able to use their phones for many things, including social media and sending money to their friends and family while chatting. In this new social media app, Cash Chat, users will be able to access while in Kenya, Burundi, Rwanda, and Europe, and also other Asian countries. Now, the founder of BOLDCASHERs, Asha Namanya, says that 20,000 customers are already hooked onto the system.
On social media, but if you are a social media addict like myself, you'll probably spend much more time. How about you use all that dedication to chatting into actually making some money? So if you fancy turning your social media obsession into a little side hustle, the next story is for you. BOLDCASHERs Limited, a local fintech company, developed a mobile application that enables users make money through targeted advertisement on top of chatting with friends and family. The mobile application has BOLDCASHERs wallet in the chat that enables users to transfer money to their Airtel and MTN mobile money accounts from their wallet to other users' wallet anywhere in the world. Carry out airtime top-up, withdraw money, pay bills, make savings, share sponsored ads to all users, and chat with friends and in groups of up to 1,000 members.
The other beautiful part that I found about this app is that it's actually a moving bucket. It has an integrated wallet within it. I thought, you know what? This is a good idea. I can actually get to make money and pay bills and feed my family. How cool is that?
Oh yeah, this is business. Business is business. Kwambia, tunakula tunachafua meza.
Mwambie wajina mwakulio. Come ni nani? Come ni wao. So join us today. Kule kuku in weekend. Yeah, we came out.
Tunakula ingo.
First, I want to thank all our clients who have trusted our brands and have joined us. So far, we have over 500,000 clients who have joined us and have used some of our services, online payments, B2B, C2B, and also who have been able to earn some cash using BOLDCASHERs and Cash Chat. We started in 2016 with a vision of connecting the world through financial technology. And indeed, we are keeping innovating products and services for easy accessibility, for flexibility, and for easy transfers of money across East Africa. BOLDCASHERs and Cash Chat. Keep trusting us. We are here for you and here for good. With BOLDCASHERs, let's connect. With Cash Chat, we fly high.